Before the audition, it's a really good idea to think about all the practicalities of the day. Think about what you're going to wear, because it's a performance. So you want to come in and make a really good impression.
Dress in something that you feel able to perform in and you're not feeling restricted.
Don't drink too much coffee. Have a good, healthy breakfast on the day.
I think you need to be well rested. You should make sure that you've practiced in the shoes that you intend to wear, so don't arrive and suddenly pop in your highest stilettos and then wonder why you're teetering throughout the audition, not feeling very comfortable.
Breathing and posture is really affected by high heels, so if you're going to wear them on the day, practice in them as well. When you know the time of your audition, you know your audition is 3 p.m, time your practice for the 2 weeks before so that you're peaking at 3 o'clock. Get the same clothes that you're going to wear, get into your practice room or your bedroom at that time and run your program for the 2 weeks before, so that when you're coming in on the audition day, it's just part of your normal day and it's not something that seems really foreign. It'll give you the psychological edge and it'll just normalise the experience and make you feel in control. If you're not panicking on the audition day, it's highly likely you won't be panicking during the audition as well. What I would always whisper in somebody's ear before they come in is, it's good to be nervous.
I think the key thing to not feeling disabled by nerves is preparation. If you are completely prepared in what you're offering and the choice of repertoire allows you to perform to the best of your ability, then I think you can perhaps at that point channel your nerves into a positive energy.
Adrenaline plus oxygen makes good fuel, you know. What happens a lot of the time is when people get nervous, they stop breathing and it really makes you lock up. And so if you get your breathing right, if you take long, deep, steady breaths before you walk in and maintain that through the interview process, then you'll probably be okay.
Nerves are essential. You need to feel nervous in order to perform. It's just how you manage them.
Not being scared of being nervous and actually, in a way, hoping you will be nervous is a really good thing, because that's what's going to kind of give you a turbocharged performance.
It's incredibly important to set your wares out as soon as you set foot into the room.
You're going to walk in and you'll meet two smiling people. There'll be me and one of my colleagues, probably someone who plays the same instrument as you.
But one of the things that we notice when applicants come into the room is that they slouch a little bit, that their eyes are downcast. Sometimes they don't smile at us, sometimes they don't say good morning. Panels like to connect with you.
We'll say hello, introduce ourselves and ask you which pieces you would like to play.
It's not a good idea to present something that is perhaps slightly out with your technical grasp at this stage. So you need to choose stuff that shows you to your very best advantage and shows not only your current ability but perhaps also highlights a little bit of your potential for the future.
So you'll play your pieces, you might be interrupted. The important thing is not to read anything negative into an interruption. It could be we want to spend more time getting to know you. And then after that, hopefully there's about between 5 and 8 minutes just for a really good chat.
Be ready to tell us as much about you and what you enjoy and why you want to come to this college.
We're trying to find out about your aspirations, we're trying to find out about dreams and hopes for the future.
We want to get as much of you as we can in a very, very short space of time. Tell us as much of that as possible, because that's what we want to hear.